I wanted a bachelor's degree in imaging sciences. I wanted to get both x-ray and ultrasound, and Morehead offered that. And it was also far enough away from home that I got to live on campus, and that was a super fun college experience that I wanted to have. We have really close bonds with our professors. For example, I went to Virginia Beach with my professors for a VSRT conference trip, and they helped prepare me for my board exams. I see them every day in class. It's like having a friend that helps you study.
So students are going to be using state-of-the-art, brand new machines typically when they get out in their ultrasound careers. And it just so happens that this year our program received funding to purchase brand new GE Logic ultrasound machines. We're using those in our lab, so this will simulate exactly what the students will typically be working on when they gain employment.
And then our students also are placed in clinical sites. So they go to 3 different clinicals where they get hands-on training there as well from their clinical instructors and the staff that works at the hospital. Sometimes they love their clinical site so much that they want to go work there. So they are trained at their clinical site as a student for their job if they know that that's where they want to work.
If you're from a hometown that's small like mine, you're gonna come here and you're gonna have the same feel. And if that's what you want, you'll love it and enjoy it because you definitely have a community with all these people. You'll see so many new faces, but you're still gonna see a lot of the same faces you knew from home, and it just makes it more comforting to be here.
I think what differentiates the Morehead program from the other schools we have is, for one, how we teach our students that are fully in clinical or they're fully in didactic, doing laboratories. So in radiography, you have full semester of class and then full semesters of clinical. So you're not mixing it up. You're not going to class 2 days, clinical 3 days. So you can focus on your learning and then you can focus on your clinical work.
I enjoy how small and one-on-one it is. It's very hands-on, and I feel like there's a really good connection between all the students and the professors.
We have 100% pass rate from the last cohort. The recent graduates were a 100% passage rate, which is a really great goal that we set and achieved, and we're always striving for that. We also increased our radiography admissions rate by 30%, which is a really great thing that we set, like a goal that we set and achieved. That means that we took the largest class in radiography that we've ever taken, and that's really exciting for us because we're really trying to promote more into the field. You know, our region is really in need of these healthcare professionals, and we're really trying to get them there.
What I enjoy most about the program is how hands-on everything is and how helpful the professors are and everything like that. They do a really good job of making sure we're taken care of and get everything we need to succeed. The best thing about being an Eagle is the community and the students. Everybody I've met has just been fantastic, and it's been a great experience.